How to log into Fairway Independent Mortgage Account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Fairway Independent Mortgage Login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, the very first one. You'll be directed to the login page. Now, from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the username, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, checking for the option of Remember Me. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Login. With that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Create Account and go through the registration process. So this way you can easily log into Fairway Independent Mortgage Account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.